Hello, this will be me backtesting every day so I can stay disciplined. We'll start with a video because apparently I need to wait 24 hours to start streaming. So let's get right to it. I will start the timer. Okay, and right now I'm backtesting my strategy, but in a London session. I'm not journaling it yet because I'm just testing it. I'll also quickly check my last recording to just see that it worked. Okay, great. Um, okay, so, okay, great. Okay, on the 4 hours web this slow, we did not get any highs since. We have this gap, so we'll be delivering off it lower. On the hourly, it's pretty much the same scenario. We swept this low going to this high. So let's go down to the 3-minute. Okay, swept the high. We do not have any 3-minute gaps. Okay, yeah, we swept the high and just drop down with zero entry. Well, there was an entry possibly off here, but like I would not take that instead. Let's look. We have this 4 hours to sweep, and on the hourly we're already bullish. So now we sweep this 4 hour. I'm gonna be looking for longs. Got the gap close here. On the 1-minute, we do not have any entry, so I'll just wait. This gap close as well. This first high, then this is like the only high we have. Okay, let's see. Can the gap close? Actually, this is the first gap close. We have this first high and then again this high up here. Okay, now we might get an entry. Zero entry. And we're already out of London session. I mean, there's still some extra volatility there that we could trade, but I wouldn't. Okay. Well, we're gonna be targeting this high on the hourly. Swept this high, so I'm gonna be looking for lower. So we'll wait for one of these to get swept to go to the other one. Okay. Very bullish, very one-sided. But let's see if we get the reversal. Got the first low here. Next low here. Okay, we got another gap close here. With this being the first low and then this being the next low. Do we get an entry? No. Sub the high again, and the gap close. Do we push lower? We do. See how the 1-minute looks. We got this first low and then this next low. And another time. Probably not gonna get a reversal now in London, it's just too late. First low, and then the next low. No entry. Yeah. Okay, let's go to next London. So far, I mean, 2 days no trades, but that's just in London. I get a lot of setups in New York. Just trying to see if, well, if it does work, then is it better than trading New York session? Come on, so the high. And now I'm gonna be looking for lower. We get this curve close soon, maybe. Not yet, I guess. Yeah, London is just too one-sided, you know. If I traded like continuations, then probably I could get something, but I'm not trading continuations, so okay. Do we get an entry? Oh man. Not again, not. Man, oh man. Okay, the 4 hour here. I mean, we're gonna be looking for lower. Crazy work. All of that. To this 4 hour. And on the hourly, down to this low. Oh, actually not. Down to this gap. So it would be great if we could like go up here, manipulate, and then go lower, but no, I guess not. Yeah, and zero entries right away. If we close below this gap, maybe. Yeah, no. Okay, now that we're gonna sweep the side, we could look lower. Whoa, I'm like really not getting anything in London. How many days has it been that I mean, the whole week went by without a single trade. With this high, I'm just gonna move this. No, actually, it's fine place. Okay, went to this low, closed above the gap, gonna be looking to take this high. On the hourly, so this low, I'm gonna be just looking higher to that 4 hour high. We just need to get some entry. We got this gap close, it's just really far. Let's see, we got this sign, then this next high. Okay, here's the gonna be the entry. I would rather wait for another candle, like this is better for me. And wait, let's look, do we have any higher targets? We do not. Well, I just have to play a 1-to-1 here and just trail past. That will be like my actual trade. And stop loss. Yeah. Well, just didn't play out either way. Didn't go any higher. I just wanna go make sure. Yeah, I mean, okay, we'll see. Case for this high, and I'll be looking to go back to this low. I also swap this high here. I'm gonna be looking for this low as my target. It's like my immediate target. Okay, we swap the highs again. Okay, we got the close here. That was the first low here, and then the next low was here. So here was my entry. Yeah. We got 15 minutes till another gap forms as well. Just do the above the high play right here with these body close. Okay, here I'd go break in because we're in the gap. Sweat me out. I'm just dropping. Well, it doesn't look great so far. London. Swap this high. Looking to fill this gap. So basically take out Asia lows. Hourly. Swap this high. I didn't come back lower for a bit. I'm looking for this low to get swept. To get taken. Okay. We got a gap close here. I mean, just a small gap, but still. The gap is not the point either way. This is the low. Okay, and we got the close below. At 24 minutes till form a gap, which would be bad. Hopefully we go down enough. I'll place my stop loss at this high. Okay, wait, we got the gap form now. Yeah, I can break even. Thankfully it didn't go up, so I wouldn't have gotten swept yet, and take profit. We are pretty nice risk to reward. Okay. So this low. On the hourly, went on this gap, swept this high. And we did not sweep this low, so I'm gonna be looking for this low to get swept first before we go higher. So I'm just expecting London to manipulate, which is, I mean, doesn't suit London, and it never happened. See, this is the problem with London. It doesn't manipulate. Yeah, you don't get the sweep before going higher. It just does its thing. You know, it just got the 4-hour target. I mean, yeah, it will go up. Okay, we're gonna be looking higher already. Okay, actually, this is the target. I'm being stupid. Okay, we've got the close here. I would like to wait for the sweep usually. This is gonna be the high. Okay. First high, not here actually, first high. Yeah, and the next high. Invalidated. Oof. Usually it's a pretty nice hour for a reversal in London, from what I've seen so far. But, well, fuck, it's far. I'll just see. Here, waiting for you. I'm just a crosshair. I just had the song. the if you're lonely. Do we get a close? Please. I mean, we got the close. It just okay. I'll take this one. We got this high to target. This high. I'll put my stop here. And I will go break even here because it's already out of London session and usually, but like, yeah, I'm trying out something here. So it will be different. Pretty nice. Okay. Next open. We're bearish. Now wait to see this gap filled. Let's put this high. Okay, close below this gap. I defer, not actually not. This is the first low, this is the next low. Gonna get invalidated, yeah, invalidated. Okay, we got this gap close. And on the 1 minute, this is gonna be the first low, this is gonna be the next low. Okay. That's okay, we'll take this. Even though it's a very aggressive close. We get a nice risk reward either way, I guess it's fine. Okay, well, that was really fast. Okay, it was actually like 3-minute take profit. Which is nice, I'm never gonna complain about a fast take profit, yeah. Okay, I'll be targeting this gap as the full bias. On the hourly, I'm gonna be looking to fill this gap. Pretty aggressive open because of some news. Got the close here. First low on the 1 minute and the next low. Invalidated. Very choppy price action. Lots of wicks. And this gap goes here. Okay, I'm back. On the 1 minute we have this first low, and then next low is gonna be here. Okay, and we got the close here. Well, yes, it had left a nice wick. I'll place my stops at the highest high because I get a nice risk reward either way. Oh, very choppy. Wow. Like, this is absolutely horrible. And we get a nice expansion at 2 p.m., which is at 2 p.m. in my time. Yeah, it's not actually. Most people are having New York time on their charts, which I don't like because, well, I'm trading my own hours. Okay, next London Open. Okay, some lows. Okay, we're gonna be targeting here higher to this high. This is the only gap I see here. Okay, closed above it. First high here, next high here. Okay, that's gonna be my entry. We have another gap. Yeah, we do. Can put my stop loss a bit higher because of that. We have higher targets. I mean, we have the 4-hour target, so we'll target that stop loss just here for a, well, pretty much a 1.5. Swept out. Not actually swept out, it completely reversed. After taking the first high, obviously. Didn't want to go higher, it's fine. Slow, go to the next open. Okay, swap this high. Enter this gap. And I'm looking to go higher. What about this gap? First high. No entries. Also, let's just wait for another gap. Almost swapped the high, but like nasty. Usually you would get yes sweeping the high in that case. Just there's no entries. Well, I guess I'll turn bearish now. Since we're out of targets above. Yeah, but London just does its thing, man. It just does whatever it wants. First low, next low. Lately, when I've been trading London live, it's just been horrible. Like usually I would be like a London trader, not in the term of like because it's London, but more so because I had pretty good success with London. But recently I've had like out of 8 trades, 3 were London and all 3 were losses. And the rest were in New York and they were wins. So I mean that speaks a lot for itself, yeah. And I mean last trade I got break even, so it's not exactly fuck, we're already in the gap. Well, no entries for me. So I think with this strategy I'll just keep only trading New York. I mean it's nice on my time in a way because I don't have to be on the charts a lot, but I also like trading London because for me London is in the morning, so I get done early in the morning, then I just have the whole day knowing I don't have to trade. Not a compulsive gambler, I don't need the charts 24/7. I like trading, it's fun, but I also like to do one stuff, be with my girlfriend. Okay, this is the next high. Okay, confirmation. Oh, we're in a fucking gap. Okay, here we closed above, but we probably do not get any entries. Oh, I actually do, probably. Let's see. Okay, they got the close here. First high. Okay, got the close here. We have this first target, next target, next target. I'm targeting this one. I can put my stop loss like this for a 1.5. And just reverse after sweeping the first high. Yeah, it just chops around after taking the first target. Just doesn't have enough one-sided action. No, actually it does have a lot of one-sided action. But it just goes to the target. It doesn't go past it like New York. New York can fucking rip. Okay, you just can do this and then rip fucking up and not stop, as you can see here. London doesn't do that. London can also like do that sometimes, but very, very rarely. And again, no entries in London. Well, the whole point is to see if I include them, but just based off like how little setups I get, I'll be better off just trading New York, so I don't have to look at the charts in London, just for myself. And I need to enable my music so I can have it in the background as well when I do videos or streams. When I record. A very nasty price action here. Again, no entries. First low, next low. We get the entry here, but like I'll just get a break even. What's the next target? We have this gap, which will probably not give me enough. Mr. Wood, anyways, we have this next low there. Yeah. Put this high. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute. And now I would go break even. I get swept out here. Yeah, I mean, this hit racks to get nicely, I guess. Whoever can use that. Again, no entries in London. No, actually, we had an entry, just got a break even, so no actual result in London. It could be just September like that, so we'll obviously like see more than that. I'm looking lower. Already close below, so we'll just get the confirmation candle, yeah. Yeah, just went halfway there and then reversal hopes and dreams of nothing, pretty much. Yeah. And does it reach the target in London? Yeah, it actually did. Wow. Oh, weird. Next up. Swap this for low. Did not go higher yet. I'll actually swap this high. We have this hourly high taken. Okay, got the close. First low, next low, pretty much same level. Got the entry, which is, I mean, yeah. This is the reversal of hopes and dreams for real. Not out yet, somehow, but we're gonna get out. That's a very weird thing to live. And I'll go break even here. Oh, I got fucking swept out. Go break even early. Now I will go. Wow, what is this sweep? Fucking swept out and then just ran to my profit. Well, that's just really sad, but well, doesn't really matter, I guess. There are other things I want to backtest for my strategy as well. So this low, so this high. Gonna go back to this gap. But again, it's London, so never know. Now reach this gap, so gonna look lower to, I mean the 4 hour. First low and then next low. Okay, got an entry, I guess, which is great for London. With how many trades we get so far. Place my stop loss at the highest high, so we get a nice 1.5 with it. Ooh, whoa, what a nice bottom ticking. Man, I'm actually the god of bottom ticking, man. Look at this. Actually caught the bottom. Did it ever reach our target? First chance. First chance it never did. We're gonna target this high on the 4 hour. It's the bias. And I'm gonna be looking for this low to get taken before we go higher. Okay, took the low. Dropping around a bit. Expanding lower. Okay, we got the gap close here. First high, next high. Which will also get us back into the range. We didn't get this close above yet. Okay, only here we did. Just gonna be with this candle. Did we get any target already? No. We can actually long here to this high. We also have this gap to put stop loss a bit higher. In case we need, well, we obviously need, but still. I put my stop loss just here to get to 1.5. Yep, and swept out. Well, completely rejected actually. I mean, yeah, it just started to chop here for some reason. And then we had New York. Oh, not yet, yeah. Like here in New York, I would long, and it would take profit, yeah. But London is just bad, man. It's just bad. Oh fuck! I actually went to New York on accident because I started talking about New York. We got a lot higher to be looking. First high, next high. I mean, yeah. There's just long of hopes and dreams. That's a very high target. If it was New York, no, would also not expect that. Go break even here, expanding gap. Nice push so far, actually. Well done, London. Is this your best? Let's see. I'm not expecting a lot from London. Okay, we can switch to this high as a target. To get 1.5. Our original target hit, anyway. Still. Okay, next. September got done pretty badly. Let's see if October will be any better. Looking a bit hard to just get the high and then lower. Great. Can London manipulate? Manipulate me, London. Okay. That is not a manipulation. Okay. First low, and then next low is in fucking gas. We got another close here. First low, I mean, just gonna be here. Okay. First low, next low. Oh, wow. Okay, nothing. Okay. So this side and go lower. Okay. First low, then next low here. Got the entry here. Wait, let's look at the hourly again. Yeah. I'll put my stops to the side. And oh, what the fuck is this job? Actual barcode. Hold on, let me scan it. Whoa. Well, very nice price action in London. I love to see it. Obviously it expands so aggressively after doing this shit for the whole duration of London. If I had waited for confirmation from this, I could have gotten the entry. So I guess it's kind of on me, in a way. Should I redo it properly? We closed. Yeah, it wasn't a good close. It was a bit hasty. Okay, here. I actually had a close here as well. And we had a pretty decent close, like here. So I would have gotten stopped out either way, I guess. Then actually, let me bring back the loss, but by just longing here, because we saw it was gonna be a loss. Okay, yeah, it was a deserved loss. Yeah, if I'm gonna be I'm gonna take one more trade and see how it works out. And if it doesn't work out, I'm just not gonna trade London. Just not worth it from what I say. Yeah, fuck, I could have gotten the entry if it would have went just a bit fucking up, so I could target lower, man. Yeah, here I will target lower. Okay, for first low and then next low. Okay. Went in this gap, so the high gonna look for this low to get taken. The hourly this high. So I get to one of these, then go to the other one. Fucking price does something. Okay, into this gap now. Yeah, there will be no entries unless we get another gap. Actually, this gap here was actual gap. First low, next low, yeah, nothing new. No entry. Man, let me get an entry so I can be done with fucking London. Shit, I'm London. Don't know why I ever traded you. Dog shit. Asia is actually better. Actually, no more people trading Asia than people trading London, surprisingly. I mean, nothing surprising when you see this piece of shit price action. Okay. Yeah, just close above the fucking gap. Yeah, whatever. Just do whatever you fucking want. Okay, swap the high itself. And just continue fucking higher, I guess. Okay. The 1 minute we have this first low and then this low. So I just need confirmation that we're gonna go lower by closing above this low. Yeah, okay. For me this is a confirmation. We got this gap. So if we get to break even or loss some down here. Actually got this gap as well. So we could just put here. Oh, we actually can put higher. Put above this gap here. So your bitches better not fucking break even. Wow, or loss for that matter. Okay, yeah, and break even. Break even. Okay. Yeah, this could be it for today. Oh man, for these results, it's like 40% win rate, man. The fuck. Yeah, good. I'm not gonna be trading London. I'm done.